In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Autofill feature in Google Sheets. Autofill is a handy tool that can save you heaps of time when dealing with repetitive data entry or when creating a series of data points. Whether you need to propagate dates, numbers, days of the week, or any other pattern, Autofill does the heavy lifting for you. Firstly, let's get started by navigating to Google Sheets. You can do this simply by opening your web browser and entering Google Sheets into the search bar, or heading directly to sheets.google.com if you're familiar with it. Once there, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not signed in, just follow the prompts to enter your credentials and you'll be ready to go. Now that we're logged into Google Sheets, the next step is to choose the spreadsheet we want to work with. You might already have a spreadsheet open, or you might need to open a specific one. Simply locate the file, either from your Google Drive or directly from the list of recent sheets displayed on your Google Sheets homepage, and click to open it. With your chosen spreadsheet open, decide on the cell where you want to enter your starting data point. For instance, let's kick it off with something simple, like typing Monday into the cell where you want the series to begin. Google Sheets is designed to recognize common patterns automatically, which is a massive benefit of using Autofill. Once you've entered your starting data, look closely at the bottom right corner of the cell. You'll notice a small blue square, often referred to as the fill handle. Click on this square and hold down your mouse button as you drag. You can drag to the right or down, depending on how you want the series to extend across your spreadsheet. If you're working with days of the week, both directions work perfectly. After you release the mouse button, Google Sheets will use the autofill feature to populate surrounding cells with the continuation of your pattern. So, if you started with Monday, you'll see Tuesday, Wednesday, and so forth, filling the remaining cells in the range you've dragged across. And there you have it. The autofill magic has occurred. Google Sheets intelligently extends your data pattern without you having to type each entry manually. This feature is exceptionally useful when dealing with large data sets or when you have extensive yet predictable sequences to enter. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you become more efficient in Google Sheets. Remember, practice makes perfect. So take some time to explore the possibilities with Autofill and let it transform your workflow. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting!